Okay. So, yeah. So after giving all the details from your side, then only you need to create the material master. It's a master data. We need to create master data. Okay, for what purpose? Here also you are going to create master data inside Ventar also. For material also, we need to create the master data. Okay, this is one process. This is the third chapter. And then fourth chapter, you need to whatever you are creating, we need to process the invoice. Correct? Some documents type will be there. So many things will be there. Quotation we need to process. Number range we need to set. Tolerance limit we need to set. So many things will be there. Okay, that at all on small concept only. It's like two lines. Just a small process, but there are so many steps are there. That is the thing. Okay. And after completion of all the steps, then final step is a purchase order. Now, you know from whom to you are going to purchase, how you are going to purchase, what you are going to purchase, and then put the order. So it's a purchase order. You need to create purchase order. Okay, so purchase in that purchase order, you need to mention the quantity, everything you need to mention. Okay, individually you need to mention whatever the product you are getting. Based on that product, you need to put the purchase order. And then second one is the contract will be there here. In between some month-end process at all will be there. That at all I will guide you. So you are going to put a contract. You need to process the quotations, and you need to schedule the date or slot booking. You need to schedule it. Scheduling should be happened successfully, and then you need to process quotation, which means agreement. You can process you can say it as an agreement only, quota agreement. Okay, quotation agreement. So you need to process quotation agreement, and then there are 3 steps are there inside quotation agreement. I will show you that. Okay, agreement 1, agreement 2, agreement 3, like that you can process. So after processing everything, in case if you want something again to reorder, see for example, material name, you just take it as a A1. A1 is a material. So you ordered this A1 100 items, quantity 100. So while doing purchase order, you need to check whether 100 quantity also dispatched or not. This is your work. You need to check the quantity. If there is any damaged product or shortage product, means you need to mention there. I just planning to order 100 product. In that invoice you need to mention, but I purchased only 90 product. Purchase order, whatever the quantity you want, that you are going to mention. But inside invoice, whatever the quantity you received, for that only you will get a amount. Okay, you are asking 200 products, but they have only 150 products. So they will process invoice only for 150 product. But you need to check whether that 150 products also we purchased or not. We need to check and we need to send a report. It's a stock entry. Okay, stock entry and inventory documents you are going to learn. So inventory management, complete inventory management you are not going to learn. That is a different model. Okay, inside is sales and distribution. While delivering the goods, whatever the things you need to manage, whatever the invoice, whatever the documents you want to manage, that everything you are going to learn based on inventory. There will be physical inventories will be there, and some of the inventory documents you need to maintain it. Okay, so this is the complete you are going to learn. Then duration will be almost 45 days. Monday to Friday will be your class, and 45 days, which means 45 hours it will happen. After completion of this 45 days, I will take 2 days implementation classes will be there for all the batches we are taking. So 2 days implementation will be there. Implementation class means so I will do some of the errors. So for example, here I said we need to set the tolerance. So I will set one tolerance, but you amount will be more. Invoice amount may be more, like that. I will give some other talk. Even I will apply and I will show it to you. Okay. Like a process, end to process. It's not like simply you are doing it without getting any error. No, like that. No, you will get at least 50 to 60 errors. You will get. Why? Because you must need to, when you are getting errors, then only you are learning, you are started learning. Okay. If you are not getting any error, then you are not learning. You are just doing whatever I am teaching. The same thing, dicto copy you are doing, means if you are doing that, you will not get any errors. But if you are getting errors, yeah, definitely you started learning it. Okay. So here I will guide you the full concept plus how to solve the error. If you are getting any errors, how to solve it. That's an end-to-end process, and then two implementation classes will be there at end of this MR. Okay. So do you have any doubt in this?
No, not right now.
Not at all. Okay. So this is the SAP server actually. So they will provide one server for you. So one server means like one user ID and password they will share you. Okay. So here I will guide you full and full about path. So path means nothing. It's a shortcut key like this. Okay. So if you want to create company, just you can give OX15 enter. You will get the screen. Okay. In case I don't need a shortcut, ma'am. I need full only. Full form I need means it's a path. Path means you need to give here SP or O enter. See, so many process will be there. SAP reference image. You are doing organization, right? So enterprise structure, definition, function, financial accounting, define company. So this is the company creation. There also I got same screen only, but that is a shortcut. This is the path. Okay. We should not say shortcut. We need to say T code. T code means nothing, but it's a transaction code. Okay. So I will guide you to both the things. I will guide you. No worry. So transaction code as well as path, both the things I will show you how to do it. And in an interview, most probably they will ask path only. But after joining there, you need to work on T codes only. Based on T codes only, you are going to work. And don't think this is too difficult. Why? Because you are going to learn 100%, but everything you are not going to work in a company. You are going to work minimum 3 to 5 T codes only you will use because you are fresher, right? So only they will give access for 3 to 5 T codes. More than that, they won't give. Only invoice processing, display, payment, rarely they will give for you. Checking the material, where to you need to check some materials, shortage like that. Checking work only most probably they will give. Okay. So don't worry about it. You can learn 100%, but after getting a job, you are going to work only 5 to 10% there. Work will be very easy, and learning you need to put some effort and learn. It will be very interesting topic. Actually, SAP is very interesting. While doing only you get to know. I will think the one step I'm going to take today, but it will create some errors. It will go like 5 to 6 steps. One error will take 5 to 6 steps. We can learn. If you are getting one error, you can learn 4 to 5 steps definitely, because you will get different thing. We can't expect that. Okay, unexpected thing at all will happen in SAP. So it will be very interesting topic only. So yeah. So once if you register, let me know. So we can start from next week. So details, everything you can get it from our branch. Okay. So they will explain you. So any other queries?
No.